Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to model the hem feature in FreeCAD with the help of sheet metal workbench. So as you can see that I have modeled the hem here with respect to our drawing here. I will show you from the scratch how I did it and how you can do the same using the sheet metal workbench of FreeCAD. So here I delete the hem, and this is a very basic sheet metal part, as you can see that. Now to create this hem, I will select the edge and I will click on flange. So here I have created a flange. Now we will modify this flange to hem. So for this I will select my bend, and here I will first invert my directions, and then I will change the angle. So first I will give 320, and then I will give around 200. I won't make it parallel, so I will give it 180. Yes. Now if we see our drawing, our sheet metal thickness is 1 and overall dimension is 2.5 of the hem. So this means that radius should be 0.25. So I will give 0.25. Now our total height is 21, and from the face it is 16. So 16 plus 1 17, and overall is 21. So the length will be 4 mm. So this is our hem, and this is how to model the hem in a FreeCAD with the help of sheet metal workbench. I will provide this source file and this 2D drawing in a video description, so anybody can use my source model and 2D drawing to practice it. So this is all about this very small tutorial how to model hem in a FreeCAD with the help of sheet metal workbench. I will come with more useful tutorial on a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.